What of people that don't have the machine? For people that don't have the machine, I've said it time without number, you can use your normal cooking pot. You can use your normal cooking pot and make your popcorn, and it will come out perfect. Before I got my own machine, I normally use cooking pot and my cooking gas to make my popcorn. It's just that if you are using normal pot, if you have been watching my videos where I'm making popcorn, you see that whenever I mix everything, I used to turn it. It has a handle where you always stir it continuously so that it will not get burnt. Likewise, if you are using your normal cooking pot and your normal cooking gas, you will continuously carry your pot up and shake it. You have to be shaking it very well so that it will not get burnt. So if you don't have machine, you can as well make your popcorn and it will come out nice if you are careful. Yes. If you don't have normal machine, always carry it up. After mixing up everything, on your gas, increase it. Increase the heat. If the heat is low, it will get burnt. But if you increase the heat, carry it up and be shaking it. Shaking it. Be shaking it. When you shake, you put it down. Put it back on the gas. You get? When you carry it up and shake, you put it back on the gas. If you are hearing that sound, carry it up, shake it again, put it down. Once you are hearing the again, carry it up, just shake it continuously so that it will not get burnt. And once you start hearing that sound, boom, 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 it's not as fast as before, just bring it down, transfer it to your bowl, add your milk, and enjoy your popcorn. That is it. So if you don't have the machine, you can as well make use of your normal pot, your normal cooking pot, and your normal cooking gas. So please don't forget to like this video, comments, follow us for more details about popcorn. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to explain anything about popcorn for you. So see you guys in my next video. Popcorn Woman, Jenny's Premium Popcorn. I got your back. Thank you.